often referred to as the last line of defense in injury prevention. Electrical specific PPE includes specialized clothing, tools, and equipment worn and used by workers that is designed to provide protection against exposure to the electrical hazards of shock and arc flash. Some examples of electrical specific personal protective equipment include rubber insulating gloves with leather protectors of the appropriate class, which are there to protect the worker from electrical shock, but may also offer very good protection against an arc flash. The hard hat face shield combination. The face shield must be an arc rated face shield, offering protection to the worker's face from the heat or incident energy from the arc flash event, and will also offer some protection against the hot molten metal and flying shrapnel from the arc flash. The hard hat is the first and only line of defense protecting the worker's head from the flying shrapnel. An arc-rated sock hood or balaclava, which is really there to take over from protection from where the face shield and hard hat leave off, protecting the worker from the heat in the lower chin area, back behind the neck, and lower regions here where the face shield and hard hat do not offer protection. Arc-rated flame-resistant clothing. Not all flame-resistant clothing is arc-rated. The clothing must be arc-rated and measured in calories per square centimeter, sometimes referred to as the ATPV or arc thermal performance value of the garment. It is important to note with the rubber insulating gloves with leather protectors, never to just wear the inner glove, the dielectric portion of the glove. They must be worn with the outer leather protector. Also note that there is a minimum cuff distance between the outer leather protector and the inner dielectric portion of the glove. This is a must. There has to be this cuff distance between the outer leather protector and the inner dielectric glove. For the head, face, neck, and chin protection, from the thermal effects of an electric arc flash, the use of an arc-rated face shield or arc flash suit hood with an identical or higher arc rating to the arc-rated clothing is recommended. Wearing of conductive articles. Conductive articles of jewelry and clothing, for example, watch bands, bracelets, rings, keychains, metal headgear, or metal frame glasses shall not be worn within the restricted approach boundary, or where they present an electrical contact hazard with exposed energized electrical conductors or circuit parts. Rubber insulating gloves with leather protectors protect a worker from electric shock. Also known as voltage-rated gloves, it is important to note the various classes of gloves. This chart illustrates the various glove classes and voltage ratings. Rubber insulating gloves with leather protectors must be tested before first issue and recertified at intervals not exceeding 6 months. This is as per ASTM F496. Provincial standards may vary. New or recertified rubber insulating gloves may be kept in storage for up to 12 months before being used again.
Class 0 electrical gloves are lightweight and flexible and are rated up to 1,000 volts, making them a good choice for many applications. No matter what class glove or voltage level you are working with, always inspect your gloves before each use by capturing air into the glove and inspecting the glove for holes and leaks. Because electrical current can find its way through even the smallest of holes, hold the glove near your cheek and feel for any air escaping from a hole which may be too small to see. Because of the importance of maintaining a glove free from holes and damage, never wear just an electrical glove by itself. Always use leather protectors over the glove to protect them from damage. This has the added benefit of offering some protection for your hands in the event of an arc flash. When not in use, your electrical insulated gloves should be stored in an approved storage device. Electric gloves that will be reused must be tested and recertified by an approved testing laboratory every 6 months. But don't forget to perform your own air test prior to each day's use.
In the video, we saw the use of a glove inflator. However, other means may be used, such as shown here, for glove inspection. The head, face, neck, and chin are protected by an arc-rated balaclava or sock hood and a hard hat face shield combination. For face protection, an arc-rated face shield shall have an arc rating suitable for the arc flash exposure. Projective eye protection shall also be worn under an arc-rated face shield or arc flash suit hood. The face shield can provide up to 12 calories per square centimeter of protection, allowing you to work with the other required personal protective equipment in a PPE Category 2 situation when using the table method. Arc-rated face shields and arc flash suit hoods provide infrared protection also. The use of a balaclava under or behind an arc-rated face shield provides more protection required to be worn as per CSA Z462. The arc-rated balaclava or sock hood provides protection to behind the neck, below the chin and neck. Eye protection. Safety glasses shall be UV rated to provide protection from arc flash hazard. The use of safety glasses should be part of any safety program. Using them in parallel with arc-rated face shields or arc flash suit hoods can give you projective protection and added protection for the intense UV light given off during an arc flash. Eye protection must always be worn under arc-rated face shields and under arc flash suit hoods. Hearing protection. Hearing protection is required when working within the arc flash boundary. Minimum requirements are ear canal insert type. Informal arc flash testing has proven that the simplest canal insert earplugs don't melt under certain levels of arc flash incident energy. Employees shall wear arc-rated clothing when working within the arc flash boundary, appropriate to the calculated incident energy or the work task. This can be shirt and pants, coveralls, or the arc flash suit. The entire arc flash suit, including the hood's face shield, shall have an arc rating that is suitable for the arc flash exposure. The arc thermal performance value, or ATPV, in arc flash testing, the incident energy on a material or a multi-layer system of materials that results in a 50% probability that sufficient heat transfer through the tested specimen is predicted to cause the onset of a second-degree skin burn. There is a simplified 2-category arc-rated clothing system. An everyday work clothing system consisting of arc-rated long-sleeve shirt with arc-rated pants or arc-rated coveralls. Minimum arc rating of 8 calories per centimeter squared. This will satisfy Arc Flash PPE Category 1 or 2 type tasks. And then there is an Arc Flash suit, a total clothing system consisting of arc-rated shirt and pant, and or arc-rated coveralls, or arc-rated coat and pants, with a clothing system minimum arc rating of 40 calories per centimeter squared. This will satisfy Arc Flash PPE Category 3 or 4 tasks.